Hello everyone! Welcome to Gracester time! Today, this video is going to be another DIY project. I am going to use a bucket on it. I am going to cover it with our colored paper. And then I am also going to use paper cutter. And I have a knife, scissor, a hot glue, plastic, gardening scissor, oasis or floral foam, 30 pieces of red roses. But before that, we are going to proceed on our first step, and that is going to be covering our plastic bucket. So guys, now we are going to assemble our flowers, and I am going to remove some of the petals that it's not that pretty. Plastic. So guys, this is our finished product.